Keeping your bathroom clean can be an overwhelming task. I know I've definitely felt that myself. So let me show you what I like to do on a weekly basis to keep my bathroom clean. Now, one thing that I found really helps me keep my bathroom clean is to keep a caddy underneath my sink. And it has everything inside I need to get the bathroom nice and clean. Now, I understand not everyone has space like this to keep a caddy in their bathroom, but I've just found the closer and more concise and together I have the supplies ready to go, the easier it is for me to just grab them and get the job done. So if you can, keep a cleaning caddy in your bathroom at all times. The second thing is my checklist that I keep right in my cleaning caddy. You'll notice here it's laminated so it doesn't get ruined either. But these are 7 things that I've identified in my bathroom that I know if I get them nice and clean, I can maintain the cleanliness of the bathroom and I don't have to do as many deep cleans as often. Now, the first item on the checklist here is to clean the bathroom mirror. Now, it's really a good idea in any room you're cleaning throughout your house to always start at the highest item and clean your way down to the floor. Now, what I'd like to use is a 2-towel system to clean the glass. I use one with the spray away cleaner here to get all that gunk off the surface, and then I come through with just a dry, clean microfiber cloth to dry and buff the surface. Now, this is really the most important step because this is gonna get anything that might be left behind on the glass, but most importantly, it's gonna remove any streaks and make your glass look amazing. The second thing is to clean the countertop, sink, and vanity. Now, you might be like me, and when you put the rubber gloves on and you get into cleaning mode finally, then you get into like super duper deep clean mode. And really with this checklist, it's designed to be just a quick reset and refresh of your bathroom. So we're not gonna worry about getting too in-depth with this one. So what I like to do is just take off anything that might be on the countertop. I also just keep a quick Swiffer in my back pocket, give those a quick dust. Then I come through with just a general purpose cleaner, spray down all the countertops and sinks, give the sinks a quick scrub out with a Scrub Daddy just because sometimes the toothpaste and stuff kind of likes to get stuck to the porcelain. Then come through, give everything a quick rinse with a damp microfiber towel, dry with a dry microfiber towel, and then just to finish, I just look over kind of the front of the vanity to make sure there's no splashes or splatter on there, give that a quick clean as needed, and move on to the next step. So the next 2 items here are actually not cleaning and a little self-explanatory, but it's refill the soap dispenser and toilet paper along with hang fresh towels. By doing this weekly, I never run out, and plus when I hang up fresh new towels in the bathroom, it helps it to stay fresh and smell better. Now, if you're wondering where to download this helpful checklist, it's actually available over on my Patreon. Just follow the link down below and sign up for the Clean Squad and you'll get access. The next item on the list, and you might have guessed this, is to clean the toilet. Now, obviously I'm recommending to do it at least once a week, but depending on your home and how many people live there, and quite frankly, how often the toilet gets used, I might even suggest that you do this either 2 or even 3 times a week. This is so important because we know that our toilets are full of bacteria. So regular cleaning not only helps kill that on the toilet, but it will help that bacteria from spreading throughout our bathroom and even the rest of our house. Now, the other nice thing too is that when we regularly clean it, it's gonna make deep cleaning even easier because we won't have a ton of buildup and grime. And if you do struggle with like hard water or water rings, those aren't gonna develop as fast either. Now, if you're looking for more tips on how to deep clean your toilet, I actually have a video on this. I'll put a link down in the description below. Definitely check that out. The next item on the list is the shower and tub. Now, my 2 go-to cleaners for cleaning the shower and tub are always just the DIY vinegar mix, which is 1 cup white vinegar, 1 cup water, and about a teaspoon of Dawn dish soap, along with Barkeeper's Friend More Spray. I just like to have them both in my bathroom kit just in case I need them. This is kind of more for like your general light cleaning, and then if I need a little extra strength, I'll jump to the more. And this is actually the one item where I've seen the biggest impact from cleaning weekly, opposed to just kind of doing it when I did it. Because what happened in the past is I kind of would forget about it, or it just would look okay and it would go on for maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks of not cleaning. And then before you know it, I had a ton of buildup of either hard water and soap scum. And when it came to getting all that off the surface, it really took a lot of time. And you were talking like an hour plus to scrub all that away. Compared to when I do it weekly, it takes me maybe 5 minutes to spray down, give it a quick scrub and rinse, and it keeps all of that soap scum and hard water from building up and keeps the shower clean. And just like the toilet, I also have a full in-depth cleaning video on how to get your shower sparkling clean if you have a ton of hard water or soap scum buildup. So I'll put a link down in the description below. Definitely check that out if you need it. The final thing on the checklist is to clean the floors, and this is always my favorite because that means we're just about done and we get to enjoy a nice clean bathroom. Now to do this, I just come through with my vacuum first to remove any sort of dry debris that might be on the floor itself. Then I come through with a neutral pH floor cleaner and a flat mop and mop my way out of the bathroom. And there you have it. Now you know my weekly routine to keep my bathroom nice and clean. Thanks so much for watching, and if you want to get this checklist, check out my Patreon with the link down in the description below. And as always, I gotta give a huge shout out to the Clean Squad. Thanks so much for continuing to support the channel, and I'll see ya on the next clean.